You can easily recall presets that you've made to the mixer, so that can be on an individual channel basis. So if you've made really specific effects settings in the EQ, you can save those per channel, or if you want to save the overall scene, is the term they use with digital mixers, you can save the overall scene as well. So you can see when I click on the save button here, it gives us the option to save as a scene or save as a channel preset. So saving as a scene will save everything. So if you've got a particular configuration that you use at school assembly or ensemble performance, that's the same every time. You can save the scene and recall that in an instant, so all your mic settings and all those things will be exactly the same. All of your mic gain and EQ and compression, it'll all be recalled no matter what changes someone else may have made. So when you click on save as a scene, it'll prompt you for a location on your computer. Here it's going to the folder I've made for the school where I've saved the default settings for this one, but usually it will go to your standard documents folder where all of the scenes will get stored by default, but then you can back them up to a USB drive or whatever you like from your computer and make sure you don't lose them in future. Pop them in the cloud, do whatever you have to do to protect them. And also with these copy and paste options here, you can easily copy and paste settings from one channel to another. So for instance, if I was to copy the settings on this channel, you can see we've got this specific compression knee curve on this one on channel 3. If I copy that and then select another channel, channel 4 for instance, and go paste. So I can filter out the certain things that I might want to paste over to that particular channel if I like, but we'll do everything in this case. There we go. So now if we're looking at the channel page for everything in each individual channel, if I'm on channel 3, that's got this very specific setting that we chose there, and channel 4 is going to be the same, and channel 5 will be different. Okay, so you can easily copy and paste your settings between channels as well. And when you want to recall the mix that you've saved, just choose the load option, and if it's hiding behind somewhere, which it might be, I'll just get rid of that window. Click on the load button and just choose load scene or load channel preset. So when you save channel presets, the process is the same. You just choose save channel preset. It'll bring up the Windows Explorer or Mac Finder window if you're on a Mac and give you a location or give you a prompt to choose a location to save to, and then loading is the same. So you just want to make sure if you're doing a channel preset that you've saved from the past, you want to make sure you select the channel that it's going to be loaded into first.